Welcome to the iTransact mobile app activation guide for Android devices. To begin, you must first use the Google Play Store to download the iTransact mobile app. There are several apps put out by iTransact. Please access iTransact Mobile. When you install the app, a helpful shortcut icon will display on your touchscreen. Use this to access the iTransact app. When you first access the app, you'll need to enter your login and password. Use your gateway ID number and your gateway password here. Your device will save this information to your preferences for future use, and it will only prompt you for this information again if you click the logout button in the app. If you can't remember your password, click the Forgot Your Password link. You'll be taken to the Password Reset tool. Enter your login ID and the instructions will be sent to the email address on file for your account. Follow the simple steps to choose your own password, and then you'll be able to log into the app. The last step that you'll want to follow before you start running transactions is to check your settings. You can access your settings by clicking on the arrow up in the right-hand corner of the app. Drop down that menu and choose Settings. The Settings window is used to manage all of the different accounts that you might have processing through your iTransact mobile app. If you have multiple iTransact gateways, you can designate which of the gateways you'll be processing through. To do so, click on the name of your gateway, and the radio buttons for the other transaction accounts will display. Choose the account that you would like to process through. The Settings window also allows you to sign out of the account and view the user agreement. Once your settings are correct, you're ready to process credit cards. Use the drop-down menu to select the Home button, and you will be taken to the payment page. Processing credit card transactions through the mobile app is so simple. You have two options. You can type in the cardholder account number, or if you have a compatible device, use one of our mobile swipe readers. That way, you can have the card data entered into the card field by simply swiping the card. Enter the transaction amount and press Submit to charge the card immediately. However, we suggest that you click the down arrow to display the Details window. You can enter item details and cardholder data straight into the database. That way, if you ever need that information in the future, it is fully available to you. After you press Submit, you will be prompted to make sure that you want to complete the transaction. If you agree, press Yes, and the following message will appear showing you that your transaction is being processed. If your transaction is declined or there's an error, a message similar to this will display on your screen. If your transaction is approved, the receipt page will open. If you've added information in the drop-down Details window, the corresponding fields will be populated. Pay attention to the amounts listed in the attempted and authorized amount fields. If you want to send this receipt as a text or an email to your customer, click the Email button and it will display different apps on your device that you can use to transmit data. Select the right app for you and your customer and send that receipt right to them. The last feature we'd like to highlight for you is the History tool. To access the transaction history, click on the arrow in the upper right-hand corner and choose History. The transaction history will display, and it will show you transactions that have been attempted. It also allows you the ability to refund a transaction. Simply click on the transaction you want to refund and use the red refund button. It will generate the refund directly back to your customer, and it will hit their account in 2 to 3 business days. And that's how simple it is to use the iTransact mobile app to process credit card transactions. We wish you much success and look forward to helping you as your trusted payment partner for many years to come.